Hey, welcome back to the channel. If you're someone who loves the outdoors or just wants to be prepared for emergencies, you're in for a treat. Today, we're counting down the top 10 survival items on Amazon. They're all on special deals right now, so stick around and check the links below to grab these life-saving essentials. Let's jump into it. Stay ready for any situation with the Atomic Bear Paracord Bracelet. This survival essential combines a fire starter, a loud emergency whistle, and durable paracord into a wearable tool that's perfect for hiking, camping, or hunting. Lightweight yet incredibly functional, it's your go-to wrist accessory for emergencies. Be prepared, stay safe, and never leave home without it. Turn any water source into safe, drinkable water with the LifeStraw personal water filter. Its advanced filtration system removes 99.99% of bacteria and parasites, making it essential for camping, hiking, or emergency situations. Lightweight and portable, it's the ultimate life-saving gadget for outdoor adventurers and emergency kits. Keep your devices powered anywhere with this 10-watt portable solar charger power bank. Equipped with high-efficiency solar panels, it can charge phones, tablets, and other devices on the go. Compact, foldable, and durable, it's a must-have for camping, hiking, or any outdoor adventure where staying connected matters. Be ready for the unexpected with this survival gear shelter. Lightweight yet durable, it's designed to provide instant protection against the elements. Ideal for camping or emergency bug-out scenarios, this tactical tent packs small and deploys quickly, ensuring you stay dry and safe when it matters most. Meet the O-Light Arcfeld Pro, your ultimate flashlight companion. With a powerful 1,300 lumen beam, green laser pointer, and UV light, this rechargeable EDC flashlight is built for emergencies and daily use. Compact, durable, and packed with triple light sources, it's the perfect tool for lighting the way in any scenario. Stay informed and powered up with this emergency crank weather radio. Featuring no AA/AM/FM access, a 3,000 milliamp-hour power bank, a hand crank, and solar charging options, it's your all-in-one survival tool. Complete with an SOS alarm, flashlight, and reading lamp, this radio is a lifesaver in any emergency. Never run out of fire with the Survive Permanent Match. This waterproof and reusable lighter strikes under any weather conditions, making it an essential addition to your survival gear. Perfect for camping, hiking, or emergencies, this compact fire starter is always ready to ignite your adventure. Make your presence known with this titanium emergency whistle. Engineered for maximum sound and durability, it's a life-saving tool for camping, boating, or emergency situations. Its lightweight paracord design ensures you'll always have it close at hand. Be loud, be safe, and stay prepared. Conquer the outdoors with the Zune Low 2 Survival Shovel. This 29-in-1 multi-tool combines a tactical shovel, axe, and more into one compact package. With adjustable angles and martensitic steel construction, it's built for camping, hiking, and emergency situations. Rugged, reliable, and ready for anything. Be prepared for any medical emergency with the General Medi 2-in-1 First Aid Kit. This comprehensive set includes 215 essential items and a 43-piece mini kit for added convenience. With an ice pack, emergency blanket, and more, it's perfect for your home, car, or outdoor adventures. Your safety, always within reach. If you found these survival items helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more outdoor and emergency gear recommendations. And if you want to see more gear like this, check out our next video.